What's going on YouTube? It is Blue Hunteds with another video. Today we'll be going over how to set up a dual PC setup using a HD60S. All you'll need is the HD60S, the HDMI that is included with it, and the Type-C USB that is also included with it. It's super simple, super easy, and hopefully it helps you guys. And if it does, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. And as well, share it to somebody that you think might need this information. Without further ado though, we will hop right into the video. We'll start off with our setup. We have the HD60S on the bottom, HDMI cord, and the Type-C adapter that will plug in to the HD60 Plus into your streaming PC. So first thing we'll do is we will plug it in. Put the Type-C in the Type-C hole, Type-C port on the HD60S, and then we will also put the HDMI plugged into it as well. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit tough. So it's gonna look like that. There's nothing that goes into the out. They both go into the in ports into the HD60S. I'm gonna put mine right there. And so this is what's really important. The Type-C, so your USB, that's gonna go into your streaming PC. So right now I have my Type-C adapter that goes in there. Give me some extra ports. So the USB is gonna go into your streaming PC, and then the HDMI is gonna go into the gaming PC, into the HDMI part. Make sure it's on your graphics card and not the motherboard. Okay. So again, here's the HD60S. The Type-C USB goes into the streaming, and the HDMI goes into the gaming PC. And then we're gonna see how we set it up in OBS or Streamlabs. Okay, so right now I am on my streaming PC. That's why it's kind of awkward. I'm looking over to the side. But anyways, you want to go into your OBS or your Streamlabs, and you want to create a scene. So the way that it's set up on the HD60S, the way it's plugged in, it's gonna make that HD60S another display. So I already have another scene that I made for this. So go to that scene that you want, go to add a video capture device, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll do just HD60S, I guess. And hit OK, and bang, that's your third display. And like again, you can go into your display settings on your PC and make sure that it's all correct, which I can show you when I can move over to the gaming PC. That is how you set it up on your streaming PC. So now we'll move over to the gaming PC. Okay, now we are back on the gaming PC, and how we set this one up is you basically make your regular scenes that you want. So like you're just chatting, you're starting soon, you're in game, be right back. Well, these are just mine. Like you're gonna have different ones obviously, but you just set it up like normal. Then all you're gonna do is right click it, and full screen projector preview, you do that, and you do the HD60S, and that's gonna send it to your streaming PC, and that'll be full screen over there in the scene we just created. Alright, so another thing we're gonna want to do is make sure that we have the sound capture app from Elgato. So we'll open that up. We will make sure that we have it on PC gaming, and where it says where do you want to hear your PC gameplay, this is going to be your headsets, and which output is your Elgato gaming capture device connected to, and you just want to leave that on automatic. Having it set up this way makes it easier on you because you don't have to worry about downloading another software so your stream can hear the audio. They'll be able to hear your gameplay and your Discord chat or whatever you have set up for them to hear your teammates or your friends, whoever you're playing with. So that's already set up for you, and you can just close that out because it will be in your ashtray down here and already open. Alright, so now I'm back on my streaming PC, and you can't even tell because it is streaming from my gaming PC over to the streaming PC through that projector preview that we set up earlier. So again, if you want to switch scenes, you're gonna have to do that on your gaming PC. I have my keybind set up, so if I want to go to my just chatting scene, all I have to do is hit that keybind and it will be over there. One last thing, actually, I almost forgot. Before you are done setting up, if you want your stream to hear you, this is actually super important. You obviously need a mic like I have right here, and you're gonna need to plug that into your streaming PC, not your gaming, your streaming PC, and set that up through the OBS, and then you will be squared away. Your stream will be able to hear you, your gameplay, and your party. But I hope this video helped y'all. If it did and you are not subscribed to the channel, please do that and like the video because that will help me out a ton. And if you know somebody that needs help setting up their dual PC setup, send them a link to this video. That will help me out a lot as well, and them. But I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.